What's going on, Sacred family? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this clone duplicate effect inside of After Effects. I seen this in the Young Fazo music video and also in the Lil Yachty and Ian's Hate Me official music video, so I decided to break it down for you guys. If you guys new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Come be a part of the Sacred Takes team. We're dropping tutorials every single week. Make sure you hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on any single tutorial. Also, hit that like button for me. Free support, guys. It motivates me to keep dropping tutorial for you guys, and it helps you to push my videos out to other editors as well. You guys can also follow my Instagram and TikTok. The link will be in the description down below. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects. Now that we're inside After Effects, this will be the clip we'll be working with today. For you guys to pull this effect out better, I recommend you shooting it on a tripod, and also for the background having a solid color. As you guys can see, we have a white background, so it's going to be easy to do this effect on. First thing we want to do is double click on our clip. It's going to open up a layer. We're going to head to our roto brush tool. We're going to rotoscope our subject out from the background. If you guys don't know how to rotoscope, I will link down in the description below. I explained to you guys how to rotoscope in a video full depth, so make sure you check it out. Link down in the description. Once you rotoscope every single keyframe, you're going to go ahead and press on freeze and let After Effects get every single frame for us. Once that's done, we want to go ahead and close out our layer. As you guys can see, we have just a rotoscope subject. What we want to do is Control D on that clip. So to make a duplicate, we're going to go to our bottom clip. We're going to delete the roto brush tool from it. Then we're going to rename this to background so we don't get confused. So BG. We're going to go ahead and rename this to roto. Now what we want to do is duplicate this roto. So go ahead, Control D on it. We're gonna press S for scale. Let's go ahead and scale that up to about 130. We're gonna bring that to the left of him, like so. Then we're gonna duplicate that as well. Then we're gonna press Shift and we're gonna move that roto to the right side. You guys should press Shift because it keeps it in a straight line for us. Then we're gonna Control D again, make another duplicate. We're gonna press on it, press Shift, and bring them out even more. Then we're gonna press Scale. Scale that up to about 150. Let's duplicate it one more time. I'm gonna bring that to the left side. Try to make sure you guys keep the same distance from each. I'm just eyeballing right now. This looks pretty good to me. Then I want to duplicate it one more time. Right there is pretty good. Then we're gonna press scale. Bring that up to 170. Then we're gonna duplicate it one more time. Bring that to the other side. And now if we play it back, we have something like this, looking very fire. Now what we want to do is select all those duplicates that we just made. So all 6 of them. We want to go ahead and pre-compose them. Once you guys have them pre-composed, we're going to search up optic compensation. We're going to throw it on top. Then we're going to bring the amount up to about 75. Make sure you guys reverse lens distortion. So we have something like this. Next effect we're going to throw on is radial blur. Go ahead, throw it on top. We're going to change the type to zoom, but if you guys like spin, you guys could keep spin as well. I think this looks better with zoom, so I'm going to keep it as zoom. Make sure the amount is on 10. Looking pretty fire. Now we're going to do the zoom animation. So we're going to right click. We're going to go up to new. We're going to create a null object. We're going to select all of our layers. We're going to parent them to the null. We're going to press S for scale. Let's go ahead and keyframe it. Let's go about halfway. Scale it in just like so. Let's go right about here. Let's bring that back to 100. Now we'll play it back. We have animation just like this. Now for us to make a smoother animation, we're going to highlight those keyframes. Press F9 and Easy Ease. We're going to go into the graph editor. I'll right click. I want to value graph. I have a graph just like this. If you guys want to go ahead and copy it, you can. And now we play it back. We have animation just like this, very smooth. And now to top it all off, guys, we're going to select all of our layers once again. We're going to right click, go to pre-comp once again. Go ahead and press OK. We're going to go back to effects and presets. Search up brightness and contrast. We're going to keyframe the brightness at 0 in the beginning. We're going to go 3 frames in, 1, 2, 3. Bring the brightness all the way up to 150. We're going to go 3 frames again, 1, 2, 3. Bring that brightness back down to 0. Now we're going to press U on our keyboard to see those keyframes that we just made. We're going to select all of them, Control C. We're going to skip a frame, Control V, and paste. We're going to do this throughout the whole clip. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. Then here at the end, since it doesn't fit, we're going to bring that brightness back down to 0. And now if we play it back, we have sort of this flickering effect with the effect, and it's very clean, guys, super fire. And that is the end of this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, if you learned something new, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. We'll drop tutorials every single week. Hit the notification bell, you don't want to miss out. Hit that like button, go ahead, hit that like button down below, guys. It's free support. All it does is motivate me to continue to drop more tutorials for you guys. And it helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos out to other editors as well. Go ahead, hit that like button. If you guys want to follow my Instagram, my TikTok, the link will be in the description down below as well. With that being said, comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.